going to be reviewing today is the LA Colors matte eyeshadow I got at the dollar store. It was $1.50. What it looks like inside. It comes with a sponge thing. I still use these sometimes. I mean, you can still use these. People like shit on these all the time, I feel like. But I do like to use brushes. I'm gonna be using brushes. I'm not gonna be using this. I'm only going to use stuff out of this palette. And I'm also, I'm gonna also be using the purple out of this palette too. This was at the dollar store too. I use this in my other video that I will not upload. Will never see the light of day on YouTube. That was embarrassing. It's like I was drunk. But I got that palette for $3. Who is texting me? They just gonna have to wait. It's probably my boo thing. I got this open before. So, I already have my brows done. I have my foundation on. I'm just gonna see if that is recording. Yeah. I hope so. I'd be mad. I will be mad if it was not recording. Good. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna do my normal eye makeup routine. Let's see now. I'm gonna be using, so the products at this step, I will be using a concealer brush. And I'm going to be using a concealer. If you have dark skin, like mine and darker, or if you have trouble, like if you are having trouble getting bright colors on your face, I would suggest using a light, very light as you can get, light as you can buy, concealer to put over your eyelids. Also, I have very oily eyelids, so before, when I was doing my foundation and everything, I spread a thin layer of finishing powder over my eyelid. So, let's begin. So I'm just gonna rub it all over my eyelid. I need to see if this framing is okay. I hope so. And also my eyelids are a little bit darker. This brush. I'm just gonna blend it kind of up to my crease. A little bit into my tear duct. By any means, I am not a professional. I just like makeup and I just like experimenting with makeup. And there's dog barking, so I wonder if the microphone picked that up. Son of a bitch! Before my camera stopped. I was about to apply lightest to darkest. I feel like this lighter shade is already on me, kind of, from the concealer. I'll just put it on anyway, I guess. Brushes I use are just e.l.f. brushes. I mean, it says e.l.f. professional eyeshadow brush. I mean, this is what you're getting. I mostly use I have two of these. I have two of the crease brushes. I have one blending brush, and I have like an eyelidish brush. I use these for like darker, brighter colors. That's this. You can see if there's like any, probably see pink on there. Those are the brushes I use. I probably should use more, so the color is probably more vibrant, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid, the lightest color. Looks nice. And then the next one is like a lilac color. I'm just gonna apply that on my eyelid. Just on there. Bada boom, bada bang. This is working good though, so far. Like, and see about the darker colors. Like, there isn't much fallout. I always get fallout with some of my stuff, but I think that's normal for any type of eyeshadow. I'm like, what was the word? Eyeshadow. If you want, here. So far, here's what the palette looks like. It's not, it looks like. So I'm gonna go for that bright brush. I just name my brushes now. I have the eyelid brush. Bright brush is going to be, where should I put this? I'm gonna put it in, go halfway in and just brush this way. Like halfway, that's what I'm doing. That's just my technique. I am noticing with the darker one, with this one at least, I'm having to build it, but it's still showing up. Okay, maybe you can see the difference. This one has it on, this one doesn't. The darker purple. I'm not doing a very good job with this. Why is it not recording? Record! So this is my finished look. So I don't know if you can see the highlight. It's like a purplish highlight. What I did is, oh God, what did I do? I used this highlighter first. I use the two purple colors, so the one that has TT on it, those two. Kind of use the lighter one to darker. Then I blended it with, I used a fan brush to apply. I use this kind of blush brush. I never use to kind of just stamp it, blend and stamp. So those are the two brushes I used. And then I added the highlighter. It was still looking not how I wanted it to, so I used this highlighter and this right here. Still was looking kind of close, but no. So I use an eyeshadow from this palette. It was this burgundy one I used on top of it just a little bit, and it brought it out, matched the eyes too, because I used that same one in my eyes. So yeah. And then I use this purple lipstick. It's called Pretty and Plum from Maybelline. I really like how it looks. I couldn't find a look. It looks more pink on me, but whatever. But that is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed. I hope someone sees this. I don't know. I'm gonna feel so insecure once I upload this. Like, oh my god, is someone gonna see this? I'm so cringy sometimes. Thank you for making it this far with me. Okay. Hopefully I can post another video. I don't know what I'm doing most of the time. Hopefully people get what I'm doing. I don't know. But thank you. Bye.